Hi guys, this is Isha and this is Sohana. They are going to be first year roommates. What Isha is not aware of is Sohana is actually deaf and needs ASL to communicate. What you see here is the prototype of our device. Our goal was to design wearable glasses with a webcam attached to it. The purpose of this webcam is to capture hand gestures performed by a deaf person and check that with the code that will display the ASL in the form of text. The webcam is supposed to be connected to all the required hardware such as the Raspberry Pi, the USB and every other connection, and all this hardware was planned to be designed compactly in a laser cut box which can be pocket friendly, and we also planned on creating a belt like structure for this to wear around the waist, so you have a small wearable glass and a compact complete design. The function was to convert ASL to English, as I mentioned, using predefined sign language data set in Python, and this is supposed to be displayed on an LCD screen. However, as we spent a lot of time and several hours trying to work with the Raspberry Pi, we were not very successful with it, as we're all first timers with the hardware kits like Raspberry Pi. We decided to work on the most functional basic model at the moment, and we have designed an ASL to text converter without the spectacle or belt design, but it's still fully functional on a software end. However, in the future, we plan to design this complete project and gain more experience with the Raspberry Pi kit.
So this is our final product, and what this product is doing is we have a webcam set up, right? And the person who wants to communicate through American Sign Language will basically make the necessary hand movements, and our device is basically recognizing those hand movements and it's giving the output. It's giving the text output. So for example, our teammate here wants to say hi to OSU. So here are the letters and they go HIOSU. So this is what our device does for now.